Now let's take a look at sizing a feeder as you see in the illustration, routed over to the subfed distribution panel board, and we have a load there of 81.6 amps that's continuous. So to be cautious, the designer of this particular system is applying 215.2 A1A, the 125% rule, times 81.6, and they're just dealing with 102 amps. Now, notice we're not routing the conduit through an ambient greater than 86 degrees Fahrenheit, so that won't apply from table 310.16. We do not have more than 3 current carrying conductors in the raceway, so we're not applying an 80% rule where maybe we had 4, see. So the neutral's not considered current carrying in accordance with the provisions and 310.15E is an ed. So we're applying the exception to 220.87, so we're dealing with a 500 kc mill to determine if the ampacity of 500 kc mill, can we add the 218 and be below that value with this calculation. So keeping that in mind now, we have the information here that we need to calculate the demand and see if we can add it without increasing the 2000 kc mill that we have here or the 500 kc mill. The 2000 in parallel, we're saying no, they're large enough. So with that in mind, let's go to the calculation next.